Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set an expiration date for sent messages and emails on Proton Mail. So let us get started and guide you through this. Head over to your inbox on Proton Mail, and that expiration date, guys, has been invented or designed in Proton Mail to give the sender, in this case you for example, or me, the opportunity to delete or get an email or message removed automatically after a specific amount of time. And not only here in your inbox as a sent message here to the left, but also in the inbox of the given user or recipient. And that's how you can set up such an expiration date for an email you send. Start by creating a new message by clicking on that button in the top left corner. As you can see, I've already done that. So enter the recipient's email address here, the subject below, and so on and so forth. Fill your email with content and text here. And once you're ready to send the given email or to schedule it for sending later, click on these three dots here, more options, and select expiration time. And after that, you will be given access to that date and timer here. So you may select an expiration date, like let me go, for example, with August 31st, so in 2 weeks. And the daytime, let's say noon, so 12 p.m. And after that, confirm by clicking on set here. And that's basically it. As you can see, according to the description here, the given message will then be automatically deleted from the recipient's email inbox too, and also from your sent folder, as I described just a moment ago. So guys, that's basically how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.